So hi Rashmi. Like I think after the consultation call, this is the second time I'm connecting with you. I
Yes,
hope
yes.
you're doing well, dude.
Yeah, I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. So Rashmi, like as you know, like today is the last day like of initial
No,
training
no,
for
no.
this entire.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last.
You can consider tomorrow. Okay, sure. My bad. So as we know, like this training program is about to end, and we are like just here to get like your complete feedback on the entire day one training. So like since the consultation call when we have taken and after like when your training is about to complete it, so we would just like to know like your overall feedback and results on yourself, like what the thing you can see with complete changes in yourself from the day one to till now. So if you can like help us to share like your insights with us, that will be like helpful for us to know like your overall journey in the HackNow.
Okay. Just now?
Yes, you can do it here also.
Yeah. Okay. So the training was good. Like I have learned many of the basic concepts that I was not aware. I got to know about more information about the ServiceNow platform, and which was not just limited to my understanding. I got many other areas to learn about. And the most important thing that I learned here is about the coding, like the APIs and all that I was not familiar with. And currently, I can analyze the code which is being used in my, you can say, company, like for the catalog creation. I just now understand them, and now I'm still learning to them. It will require a lot of practice, and then I would be able to move ahead with the coding part. But overall, it was a good experience. I have learned many things over here.
Perfectly fine. So apart from this, like I hope Gosha ma'am has like teaching you the concepts in a pretty much well way, and now
Yes.
like you can. Mhm.
Yeah.
So Gosha ma'am, like if we have to look like your response from Rashmi's like overall performance, so how you will be like explaining her experience?
You want to answer me? I think when Rashmi joined, actually, she only knew very basic, I think, from ServiceNow platform. But right now I can say that I have taught her a lot. Now she needs to practice, actually. Right, Rashmi?
Right.
Yes. And if she practices, I think she will be able to get a job as a developer very soon. That's my confidence in her. But
Oh, thank
overall,
you.
she's the student. She always used to complete her task. Okay, whatever I gave her, like preparing her notes. From that to also solving all the assignments. Like when I am giving assignment, I give a lot of assignment, right? So she was able to almost do all her assignments, and that is good about her. And that's why she learned in a very few days. Actually, she is now able to understand the codes that she was not able to comprehend in her office. Okay, now she can understand all of those stuff. Okay, but what I suggest for her is even after the training, she needs to keep practicing. Okay, so that she become better. So this is what I suggest for her. Overall, her performance was good actually. She was doing good in her sessions. That's it
Thank you,
from
Gosha ma'am.
my end. Yeah.
Ma'am, for sharing your insights also. So I hope Rashmi like it helps you somewhere well and motivated you like to enhance yourself more in the covering part where you are lagging. And yeah, the
Correct.
one point which she mentioned is like practice is required a lot from a person, and the more practice you will do, the better version of yourself you will become in the end of the time. And I think
Right.
your
Right.
goal is just like upscale yourself with the other modules learning also, right? To get like more better opportunities and some hard like high salary package hike also, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
we
Like
hope.
first goal is to just have practice, more practice on this particular ITSM module, and when I'll be confident, and then I'll be thinking of another module.
No, no, not the another model you can explore. Instead, like in the current model in which you are having, you can explore more yourself, like in terms of the complete integration. I think the JavaScript and scripting part is now clear. But I hope like Gosha ma'am has done sharing her expertise into your bowl. The more information she's having, I think she has given all of you to like key sharing part, what we used to say, right? So it's up to you. But apart from like we have multiple other modules also, like as a developer, like if you're applying for as a ServiceNow developer, so you should learn the complete external like integration part, the complete portals. These things also you can learn, and in the refined end version you can make yourself a complete ServiceNow developer. Therefore you can expect at least a more hike than the current role which you are having.
Right.
Yeah. And along with like if you have some expertise in the other part, then I recommended you, right? Last time you can learn the CSM also as external cooperation with ITSM and CSM. That also you can do later on in future.
Yes, yes. First focus on this particular module.
The better expertise you need from our side, that you can get it from any time. Meantime, like we can update you like on the resume building part also. The workshop we are conducting coming from this 20th of May. So we'll please you to join this workshop, as like we're especially organizing this workshop just for you guys to level up like your resumes and your learnings done also. Education clearly define everything in your resumes with a proper ATS optimized manner. Okay.
Yes, I enroll for that.
Okay, sure. Apart from like, we would just like to know like your response in just one word from the HackNow. Like if you have to rate us like in the scale of 10, so how much rating you will be giving us in the end of the day, Rashmi?
It's between 9 to 10, or you can say 9.5.
Perfectly fine. Apart from like, we hope like during the time of the training, Shraddha and the other team has coordinated with you in a well way.
Yes.
Perfectly fine. Okay, then Rashmi, like lastly, we will just request you or keep giving our wishes to your success on the upcoming times, where you
Thank
can
you.
like excel yourself more in the service now. And if any helps or any assistance that is required in future, even after this training ends, also from the HackNow part and from me and from Shraddha, anytime after Gosha ma'am also, feel free to connect with us anytime. We guys will be like always happy to assist you anytime. Okay.
Sure.
Perfectly fine. Okay, then Rashmi, thank you so much for your time, and thank you,
Okay.
Gosha ma'am, for your time also. Yeah,
Thank you,
have a good
Shraddha.
day,
Thank you,
guys, and
Shraddha.
best wishes to your upcoming future also. Okay, Rashmi, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
चलिए, bye bye. अब हम